Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to work on the Baja again. I got a few things to do, and we'll work it as we go. It's a little cold out, so I'm not sure what we'll get to, but I want to get something done today, so here we go. Today I'm going to try to take the side mirror off. Well, I'm not going to try. I am taking the side mirror off of the Baja, and then I will try to weld the hole shut. That's the mirror right here. It just unscrews. I want to put those Euro style mirrors that I purchased from J-Bugs, and I think they look better straight, even though I could kind of slightly angle it, but I might as well try to close off the hole anyway. Mirror's going. What I want to try to do is see if I have a washer that'll fit over this, or a slug. If not, I'll cut a piece of steel, but I think a washer will be nice and flat, and it would be better if I can get that washer on there, so that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to clean up around this so I can weld. Kind of hard to get in there. Bend it in a little bit. See if I can weld that washer right there without it moving. If I can at least get this started, I could probably fill the hole in with weld.
What are you doing, Harvey?
Oh, I'm trying to weld a washer across this. Don't look.
I'm not. How's that thing work? Good?
Yeah, I had it on too high just now. It's melting a little. Yeah, it's much better.
The sun is out, but it's cold.
Yeah. It's pretty damn good as is, really.
Huh?
It's pretty good as is. It needs to be ground more, but...
Better a little deeper than you little light plastic over it, that's it.
Yeah, look, it's pretty good.
Let me see. Yeah, that's it.
Little Bondo,
That's it, that's it.
Probably can grind even more, but it's good
Well,
enough
you got
for now.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you put your fingers here, it's smooth.
It's sticking out a little bit right there and at the bottom. Over here, look, I grabbed it almost smooth with the... You could almost do it where you don't even need body work, if you're really good at it. Right?
Yeah, but that's almost impossible.
Okay, so I welded the washer over this. Needs a little body work. And a little grind it off a little bit more. So it's pretty smooth and strong. I actually just welded a little L bracket here in this corner because it was a hole. Now it's a little sloppy too. I'm gonna have to grind that all down, but it's nice and strong now. So I got that done. Still closes. I welded all the holes that were for that fiberglass cover because I'm not sure if it's gonna be in the same exact spot anymore. So I also tacked a little bit more on here. I'm not the best welder. I'm gonna have to practice if I get a welder, but I'm gonna give that one back to my friend who let me borrow it. It's been confirmed here. It looks like this wheel well was changed at one point, and it was just tack welded, and that's where the crack in the bodywork is. So I went down to where the crack ended. I'm not going to go all the way down there because it seems okay. But I'm going to see if I can tack this a little bit better now with the welder while I have it. Hopefully I don't make a fire. I got the fire extinguisher ready because before there was actually, I don't know if it was undercoating or something inside. It started burning. I'm going to get my air compressor to blow it out of the fire. Metal's very, very thin here. This is what you call opening up a can of worms. Not the neatest weld, but it's welded. Better than it was before. I'll grind it all down. Body plastic over it. Found a hole here too. Not sure what that's about. Gun hole? Gunshot? I don't know. Okay, grind that down. I think that's it for the welding that I can think of anyway. I probably won't try to grind that until I take the wheel well off, because that's fiberglass. And then I'll grind it in body plastic. Actually doesn't look half bad. Those are the 3 holes I patched. I should be fine. I'll hit it in with a hammer a little bit if I have to, a little ball peen, just to get up the high spots. That came out pretty good too. Pretty smooth. Just needs a little Bondo. But other than that, I think that's not bad. It's got a couple little low spots, but that's fine. Let's see if I can grind in here a little bit. All right, patched. Take too much off of here. This was really weak. Now it's nice and strong. Okay, good enough. Bondo. Battery's gonna die. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I see it's very magnetic. Let's go. What's going on here? There's a little dirt on it. Not the strongest magnets. I can tell you. This welding's so much better with the fucking gas.
Well, of course. What did they pay for this one? They're expensive.
$750.
That's not bad, because the Lincoln one is $1,700. You ever hear of it?
The Lincoln?
It's called the Lincoln.
Yeah. Know what I did? You know where this the mirror was threading into the side?
Yeah.
I fucking blocked it off. I took it off.
Oh, I got it.
I blocked the hole. Now it's all welded.
So you just have to grind it.
I'm gonna grind it off now. I put a washer there.
Yeah.
I found a washer that fit right in there. Grind it, put some body plastic.
That's
and then, cause I bought, aftermarket mirrors. You don't need this fucking shit, the stem hole.
No, I know.
Shit.
I know.
Oh, my camera's on. I'm cursing over here. Yeah, you know, Harvey's got to get out here and get some work done.
I figured when I saw the garage door open.
Oh, and that fucking shit is hard as a rock.
Oh yeah.